This is the city, Cincinnati, Ohio. Some say the Queen City is a lady with a lot of warts, but I love her.
And today we're going to do something fun for the holidays. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Mount Adams to the Reindog Parade 2022. I had so much fun last year, I just had to return, and I thought I'd bring you along. So let's get started. Our adventure starts here. Well, that was a lot of fun. I knew it would be. It's fun every year. And it's great seeing people dress up in matching costumes with their dogs. Everybody gets along, and it's just a nice time, and it takes your mind off of what's going on in the world, and it puts you in the Christmas spirit. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and be like Santa Claus and ring that bell. And until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.